clown. I'ma hit it like we're going down. I'ma hit it to the ground. Punch you up and down. What you gonna do? Me and my crew hitting on you. Yeah. You mess with me, we mess with you. Oh my god, you down. Yeah, hitting it down. Bro, you know what it is. You gotta go like a girl. Alright. Hitting it down. Hey. Pepping up style. Hey. Hitting it down. Hitting it dab. Hitting it stab. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a dab. Hey. Yeah. Hitting the folks. Yeah. Hitting it dab. Yeah. Yeah. Hitting it stab. Yeah. Yeah. Made by you. Yeah, what you gonna do? When I pull up on a block, this is gonna be a stop. I'ma turn around, hit that whip, hit it in the dash, hit it with the pipe, hit it with the stack. Never gonna be real.
Yeah, I have to know what you're doing. So let's restart this video and let's train so practice what you doing? I'm gonna copy what you're doing. So I have to practice.
Alright, so let's stop. What you doing right now? Yeah.
Hi!
Yo.
Hi, kid.
Oh yeah, hold on. That what I just did right now was practice. You're gonna see the real one. You're gonna see the real one in a second, but right now we're practicing, and we're practicing bad bougie. Some of the words are mixed up, but yeah, some of the words are not in a song. We're making up our own bad bougie, and he gonna be copying all the dance moves I do. So let's go. Let's get it. All right, let's play it. Yeah. Yo, natural. You're natural. You're natural. Trust you, I'm a teacher. Hey, Raindrop. Dash, coconut, hop up, cook it. No, shit, that. Cook it up with a crock pot. Because there's nothing to take it. Hey, I don't show nobody but a chick. Harder than they give me, they come and get that. Hit the folks, pipe it up, stab, bad booty. Let me hit it with the Uzi. Bad booty. I'ma pipe it up like a Jew. Bad booty. Let me get in my jacuzzi. Natural. Bad booty. Natural like a Uzi. Rugged. I take you from you. What you gonna do? I take you from you. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. Yeah, hitting the dab. Piping up stab. Hey, what you wanna do? Hey, I don't know about. Yeah, made by you. What you wanna do? Yeah. Yeah. Mess with me, I mess with you. Yeah. You mess with me, I mess with you. Yeah. You mess with me, I mess with you. Yeah. You mess with me, I mess with you. Yeah. Alright, wait, what's up? Boy. I did not do it. I did not do it. Alright, wait, stop. Oh, so that's why. Stop being nasty. I'm not doing it. That's why I'm not doing it. Okay, fine. Guys, that was totally messed up. I'm gonna take the lead. I got some speed. What are you able to see? Lead from looking.
We're great.
Fix this. Alright, come on, let's rap. Alright. I can't see myself. Fix this. We about to do another version. Alright. Let's go. I just wanna roll it down right. Oh, you got something down on it. I just want some ice on my wrist so I better when I dance. Push it with it. Yeah. All I ever wanted was to roll it. Yeah. All I ever wanted was to roll it. my thumb, you see my fish, you better run. Hold up, wait. Come back. We need a six-pack. Not one, not two, but the whole six-pack. Sorry to be mean, but you need to listen to me. Oh, shit, I forgot the You see my pinky, see my thumb, you see my fish, you better run. Hold on, wait. Come back. You see my pinky, see my thumb, you see my fish, you better run. Hold on, wait. Come back. You need a six-pack. Not one, not two, but the whole six-pack. But the whole six-pack. But the whole six-pack.
Oh. But your mama want to pass out though. But you. Let's watch the video.